Safety in navigational and ice meteorology conditions means taking the necessary precautions to ensure a ship moves safely in ice, waters, and bad weathers. Mariners must understand ice types and movement, monitor weather conditions, and adjust speed and course accordingly, or maintain also a proper lookout or using a radar, and etc.
Definition. Safety of navigational in these regions involves operating vessels where ice presents a direct hazard to the hull, rudder, and propulsion system. And key safety principles mentioned include avoiding being trapped in best set conditions. Maintain maneuverability by keeping the vessels moving slowly. Using specialized ice strength vessel. Relying on update ice chart and icebreaker systems.
Good afternoon everyone. I will report about main types of floating ice, its origin and movements. Number 1. Iceberg. Its origin. Iceberg come from large glaciers or continental ice sheets like those in Antarctica or Greenland that extend out over the ocean. When chunks of ice break off the massive formation, this process is called calving. They become icebergs. These formations are made of fresh water as they originate from compacted snow over thousands of years. Its movement. They are carried primarily by the ocean currents and secondarily by wind, because they are massive and extend far below the water surface. Currents have a stronger influence on their path than wind alone. Some icebergs can travel thousands of kilometers and their origin before melting completely. Number 2. Sea ice. Its origin. Unlike iceberg, sea ice forms directly when seawater freezes. This happens in polar and subpolar regions when temperature drops below the freezing points of salt water around -1.8 degrees Celsius or 28.8 degrees Fahrenheit. As seawater freezes, salt is expelled so the ice itself is mostly fresh water. Movement. Pack ice drift with wind and ocean currents and can expand during colder months or break apart when temperature rise or from wave action. Fast ice stay fixed until it breaks free from and become packed ice. Number 3. Flows. Its origin. Flows are broken fragments of sea ice. They form when larger areas of sea ice, like packed ice or fast ice that has broken loose, split apart due to wind currents or temperature changes. Movement. They drift freely, driven by wind and ocean currents because they are smaller and exposed and at the surface than iceberg. Wind can have a more significant impact on their movement. And the last, number 4, growlers and Burgee bits. Both are fragments that break off from iceberg or sometimes from larger pieces of glacial ice. Burgee bits are larger than growlers, but both are smaller than full-size iceberg. Movement. They are carried by ocean currents and can be unpredictable. Their smaller size makes them more prone to shifting with changes in current or wind, and they are often unstable with pieces breaking off or rolling over unexpectedly. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My topic for today is the principle relating to the safety of navigation in ice. This means that ship must be very careful when navigating in icy water. They should move at a slow and safe speed to avoid damage. The vessel should also keep moving when possible so it does not get trapped in ice. Mariners should work with the movement of the ice instead of fighting against it. The ship must also be strong enough for ice conditions with trained crew with proper equipment. Thank you for watching.
Explain. Condition leading to ice aggression on ship, superstructure danger and remedies available. Means ice aggression happens when water freezes and builds up on a ship surface, especially at the superstructure, the parts above the main deck like mats, bridge, and decks. This usually happens when the air temperature is below -2 degrees Celsius and winds are strong over 18 knots because fast wind blow more spray and helps water freeze quickly.
This safety of navigation in or near water mean types of floating their origins and movements. Safety of navigation is the practice of protecting crews, passengers, and vessels by avoiding hazard and adhering to regulations. It relies on tools like radar, GPS, and electronic charts, and rules such as maintaining a proper lookout, safe speed, and yielding to prevent collisions.
So what is guiding principles relating to the safety of navigation in ice? Guiding principles for safety navigation in ice emphasizes maintaining constant maneuvering, continuous hazard monitoring, and a conservative decision. The Maritime International Organization Polar Code Services as the primary regulatory frameworks require specialized equipment, voyage planning, and crew training for safety on ice-bound waters.
Question: what is condition leading to ice aggression on ship, superstructure danger, and remedies available? Explain. Ice aggression on a ship, superstructure occurs when freezing sea spray or atmospheric moisture contact a vessel in sub-zero temperature. It severely compromises a ship stability by raising its center of gravity and adding dangerous top wind, which can eventually cause capsizing.